Why AI still needs human annotators. Everywhere you look, people are asking the same question. Is AI going to replace human annotators? It's a fair concern. After all, AI is advancing fast. Tools are getting smarter, models are becoming more powerful, and automation is at the center of everything. But here's the reality. Even the most advanced AI can't fully operate without human annotators guiding the process. And I'll tell you exactly why. Let's start with cultural nuance. AI is amazing at processing information, but it doesn't actually understand culture. Think about sarcasm, jokes, slang, or even regional differences in how we speak. A phrase that means one thing in New York might mean something completely different in Lagos or Tokyo. While a human instantly gets the difference, AI often misreads it, sometimes with hilarious results, but sometimes with serious consequences. That's where annotators step in. They make sure the machine learns context, not just words. Now let's talk about bias. AI doesn't create bias out of thin air. It learns bias from data. If the data has stereotypes, prejudice, or harmful patterns, the AI will repeat them without hesitation. Imagine a hiring AI trained on biased job data. It could end up discriminating against entire groups of people. This is dangerous, and it happens more often than we think. Human annotators act as a filter, spotting these patterns and correcting them before they reach the real world. Without this human touch, AI can unintentionally cause harm, and then there's ambiguity. Real life is messy. Data isn't always clear. Maybe it's a blurry photo, an incomplete sentence, or a situation that doesn't fit neatly into categories. AI struggles here because it thinks in patterns, but humans can reason through uncertainty. Annotators can interpret the gray areas and teach AI how to respond in complex, real-world situations. So the truth is, AI and human annotation aren't competitors, they're partners. AI provides speed and scale, while humans provide context, judgment, and fairness. Together they build systems that are smarter, safer, and more reliable. At Beyond Human Intelligence, this is exactly what we do. We bridge the gap between raw data and trustworthy AI, making sure your models don't just learn, but learn the right way. So if you're building AI, don't think of annotation as an optional step. Think of it as the foundation. Because without human annotators, AI is like a student without a teacher. If you want your AI to be precise, reliable, and human-aware, visit Beyond Human Intelligence. Come, your AI deserves better data, and we're here to make it possible.
You learned something new. Tap like, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below. See you in the next video.